Hi guys, welcome back. We are trying something different today. So we are going to be using ChatGPT to create our keycam base and try and build a whole track just using ChatGPT's advice. So let's check how it looks. If you guys hear like banging noises and stuff, it's just some people working on the bathroom. But let's go straight in. So all I asked was how to make a side trans kick with kick 2. Let's follow the prompts. Okay, open kick 2, load kick 2 door in your instrument. Start with a preset that's close to sound you want. Look for presets labeled as side trans, trans or similar. Very old school, but let's go with it. Set the pitch of the key by adjusting the pitch knob of the slider. Okay, let's look for the pitch. So this is the pitch here. So let's get it in key. Okay, let's go on G. Okay, cool. Okay, adjust the length of the kick to fit your track. Shorter kicks are common in side trans to maintain a tight punchy sound. So let's adjust this length. Scope on it so we can see the length. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now in the amp envelope, tweak the attack, decay sustain, envelope, sculpt, keep trans and tails for side trans. You typically want the quick attack for punch and the relative short decay to control the tail. So that's a quick attack. I could make this shorter. The click section in kick 2 controls the initial transient of click. Attack to adjust the levels and the decay is fine tune the click of the portion. Okay, let's open up the click. So it's not very like specific on what you want. It's more like this is what you do. It's not like giving you like specific details. Probably if you ask it more detail about the click and more detail about the harmonics and stuff. Laying and processing. Consider layering the kick with other samples or synthesizer elements to add a depth of character. Apply processing like EQ, compression and saturation to further shape the kick and sound and fit into your mix. Pay attention to the low end. Okay, fine tune and testing. Continuously tweak the parameters. Pay attention to the kick with interacts. Synths typically save and organize final touches. Consider effects like reverb. Okay, so they're not very specific on how to get the kick done. It's more just like shape. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like really good kicks next to it, also in G. So we can get like a little comparison as we work. So we can just tweak the sub of this one. Okay, let's open up Serum. Okay, let's also try to make a baseline. Open up Serum. Starts by initializing the patch. Set oscillator A to a basic waveform, saw or square. So we'll use a saw for this one. Let's just use the basic shapes one. Okay, let's see what it says. Detune oscillator A slightly for a thicker sound. Detune oscillator A for thicker sound. Okay, I don't understand detuning oscillator A when we don't have any voices. That's a bit weird. Optional, enable oscillator B and set it to a different waveform or texture. So it's optional, so we won't do it for now. Filtering, add a low pass filter 24 or 12 B octave to shape the sound. Okay, filter on. Modulate the filter cutoff with an envelope or LFO. Okay, let's take the envelope to the cutoff. Adjust the resonance to add character to the bass. Let's just give it the right octave. Okay, add a low pass filter. We did that. Modulate the filter color. Adjust the resonance to add character. Envelope. Set the envelope 1 to modulate the filter. Set envelope 1 to modulate the filter cutoff. Okay, so now they want us to use. Let's remove envelope 2. Let's use envelope 1. Set envelope 1 to modulate the filter cutoff. Adjust the attack, decay, sustain, and the release to create a plucky or sustained bass sound. So they don't really tell you specifically what to do. Okay, create a plucky sound, bass sound. Use LFOs to modulate parameters like pitch, wavetable positions, or filter cutoff for the rhythmic movement. Experiments with different LFO shapes and rates to desire the groove. So they want us to use LFO shapes to modulate pitch and wavetable positions. So how do you modulate a wavetable position if it's a basic saw wave, like nothing moves? And moving the pitch, you kind of gonna go out of your bass element, because bass is like sitting in a low octave. So as you move up in pitch, because you like as pitch is pitch, you're gonna go out of your bass section. Wavetable position, it's a basic wave, so it's not gonna move. And then experiment with different LFO shapes. Example, sine, triangle, saws, and rates to find a desired groove. I don't know. Maybe let's try it. Okay, so let's try different shapes, basic shapes. Let's try sine, and they want us to put it on parameters like pitch, wavetable positions. Okay, let's pop it on the pitch. Let's just go 1 octave. Play the rate. Okay, I kinda see what they mean. Sounds corny as all. Well, I guess if you don't want to like put in the octaves yourself, then I guess that's a interesting way of doing it, because we could use the LFO now as our 1 octave up bassline, so we can do something like that. It's like very old school. It's like psytrance back in the 90s, 2000s. Effects, add effects like distortions, chorus, and reverb to enhance the bass sound. Experiment with different effects, settings, and to achieve desired coloration and spatial presence. Okay, let's try some like distortion. is saying EQ compression, use EQing to sculpt and frequency the bass, emphasize the low end, cutting unwanted frequency, apply compression control dynamics and punchiness to the sound. Fine tuning constantly tweak parameters like oscillator settings, filter cutoff, resonance, AB, layering consistent, multiple sounds, bass sounds, sub mid range, fuller layer dynamics. So it's not really like very specific on what to do. It's like general parameters. Like it's too general. Like you have to probably go a deep dive and like how should I shape oscillator A? Shaping oscillator A inside the baselines involves creating sound and reaching harmonics depth and low end and capable of cutting through the mix. Start with a waveform that has harmonically rich content. So that's just waveform selection. Position again. I don't understand how they keep bringing up position. They're not very like specific on what to do. It's just like general parameters. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.